this is gorgeous. Am I crazy, or is Bob driving in the back? What have you done?
This car really was never meant to be built.
And it shocked the world.
They didn't come with this V8 in it.
It's been tweaked, obviously.
Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day out there. You know, it's British car day.
I knew it was a themed day, because that's all I saw was British cars everywhere.
Jaguar,
I've seen a Lotus,
McLaren.
Morgan.
a Morgan what?
Just trying to get out of one.
That's why you're late.
Yep.
You couldn't get out?
No.
Let me guess.
I got in.
Where'd you get it from?
Agri drive share.
I knew it. He's hooked.
All right, listen what I did this week. Went to the Randarosa. This guy took cars and mixed it with landscaping. Look at that thing. What in the world?
I said, babe, I want to do a dump truck water feature. She said, what? How much is this going to cost? I said, I don't know.
Now, this is some serious work.
You know what? It's an obsession, and I'm not sure that it's healthy, but it's what I do.
I got to see that.
Yeah,
That's
it was insane.
Crazy.
Yeah.
I can't picture
McLaren.
it. But McLaren what? Oh,
Lotus.
Loaded.
Daimler,
British
Daimler.
car. Daimler. MG.
Yep.
Range Rover.
Range Rover, Land Rover.
McLaren.
I
We
said
already
that
got that
first. You can't repeat.
Today is British Car Day, and there is a great representation of all of the marquees: Jaguar, Triumph, Lotus, MG, of course the Mini. Everybody had a Mini in the UK. Great looking cars.